ready to make a frame for these casement windows. Want to watch? You know, one of the things you have to expect in window craft is to be able to take rough lumber and mill it into the things that you want. You don't need a whole lot of tools, and this joiner, for example, is where I almost always like to start. It gives me a finished index surface that I can quickly size my materials to the dimensions I want. And with a good joiner, it gives you a nice clean face. And here, for example, I'm just cutting off the excess to the thickness that I need. I guess I could have run it through the planer, but nobody's ever going to see those saw marks on the backside, so that's what I did. Now, casement window jambs are a lot like door jambs, where they have they can have stops built into them. Some jambs have stops applied to them. These are called integral stops because they're actually attached to the jamb itself. And it's pretty quick to make. Cutting them to length and marking where the intersections go. I'm going to slice this with my knife and then accentuate a little bit so that my saw can fit in there nice and clean. It gives me a real accurate cut. These Japanese hand saws, these are really great. And the thing about it is, once you're done using the saw for the day, you can use it to flip your burger.
Oh.
Window craft is all about carpentry. It's like at the core of what we do. And nail guns, well, a nail gun doesn't really make you a carpenter, but it does help put things together. I've done everything right.
48 and
Yep.
1/8 strong, which is perfect for a 48-inch sash. Boom. And now we'll take it out the
If I've done everything right, it should work out pretty good.